If you've encountered security checks on Instagram and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Begin by following the prompts on the Instagram app or website. Instagram may ask you to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 2. Check your email. Look for an email from Instagram regarding your account status. This email may contain instructions or a link to help you regain access. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 3. Follow the recovery process. If prompted, follow the recovery process outlined by Instagram. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional information to confirm your identity. Step 4. Update your password. Once you regain access, immediately update your password to something strong and unique. This will help secure your account against future issues. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code sent to your phone whenever you log in from a new device. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Instagram account and enhance its security for the future.